everyone, I'm Cassandra, your 30-something, beauty-loving, normal gal, making videos for other 30-somethings here on YouTube, and I hope my makeup is coming out okay on that screen. Lord knows what my hair is looking right now. It is end of the day. I've touched up a little bit, but there could be glitter all over my face at this point. I don't know. Anyway, not why you're here. We are here to talk Empties, and it is not It is not as... Get the hair back. It is not as big an Empties as other months. I'm trying to get it under 40 minutes, but there are a lot of sample things in here. I kind of went on a sample kick, which you'd think makes no sense considering the amount of items I just bought at the Sephora sale and with that Ulta coupon, but I wanted to get rid of some of these. There's just too many little samples everywhere, so I was using sample things. But I have some big items too. So we're gonna start with the one in my hand because we all know I'm gonna use one up. It's the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. I've got 3 more bottles to go, then I have some other things. Okay, this is the Erno Laszlo Cleansing Oil. It looks like there's a little left, but it just was hard to finish off. This comes in a set with a bar of soap, and this is the anti-aging collection. It was okay. I love the acne one. It's black, it's the charcoal one. That set is amazing. This one, I don't know if I would buy again, but it wasn't bad, and I got it on sale at Anthropologie. You guys, don't sleep on those Anthropologie 20% off days. Wow. Then I finished my little Clinique Take the Day Off. I believe this came in a Sephora Play. This is one of the reasons I got rid of Sephora Play, because it was like, wow, Sephora, thanks for sending me eye makeup remover. It's so exciting. But you know, use it up. It was good. Okay, y'all, I think I've changed my mind on something. I had a little sample of the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, excuse me. And you all know I love the acai one. I think everyone's sleeping on the Brazilian acai powder cream from same company. But this time all of a sudden this one didn't seem as sweet and caramel. It did smell very vanilla, and it reminds me of the old school Laura Mercier vanilla, which is amazing, and I would get stopped every day when wearing that lotion. And now I'm debating, do I add this to my Christmas list? Maybe. Also, did I just get lipstick on my teeth? Okay, so maybe, because I've changed my mind. It's really good. Another thing that it was, okay, I'll look at you instead of the box. Another thing that was really nice to use, and I'm like, oh, I want to go buy a bottle, but I need to wait. I had 2 Hourglass Veil primers, little samples, and I got 2 uses out of each of these. And the days that I use this at 4 in the afternoon, it is the end of the day and the end of the week. At 4 in the afternoon, I would look at my makeup and it looked flawless. It was this. This is the only thing that changed. And so I just want to go buy a big, giant bottle, but I have so many primers to get through that I just can't. It's like, I'm going for everyday wear. Would I love to just throw everything away and get rid of it? Yeah. But the other primers I have are not bad. So I need to finish what I have, and then I will go to this. That is the one thing with doing this whole beauty channel thing, is there's certain stuff that once I found great, I don't really want to experiment anymore. I just want to use that and simplify to it. So I don't know. I say that and then something new will come out and I'll be like, ooh, but I have to try it. Just ignore me. Okay, I finally tried one of the Pure Lisse Green Tea and Vitamin C Brightening Sheet Masks. I liked it. There was nothing extraordinary about it. This didn't go outside the box in any way that I'm like, hold the phone. Soap and Glory, move aside. Too Cool for School, move aside. Pure Lisse is in town. No, it was good. I'll use them. It's fine. It doesn't rank in my highest of sheet masks. I finished another Kirkland wipes. Okay, so there's a little lotion left in that stuff. Oh, I hope that didn't get on anything. Okay, so I did finish a Too Cool for School sheet mask. This is the hydration one. This is one of my favorite sheet masks of all time, but I am noticing a pattern that the day after I use it, I break out. I don't want to blame the sheet mask. I'm just determined it's not the sheet mask's fault. It's probably the sheet mask's fault. But I love this, so I still recommend using it. I will still probably use it, even though it makes me break out. I finished an all-nighter. I'm proud of myself over this. Full-size all-nighter. I bought 2 of these last year at the sale. I think they have it again this year. It's 2... I just got the most random text. It is 2 of these for almost like the price of 1. And you know, Urban Decay all-nighter, nothing is as good as that. It's amazing. Okay, so this I'm annoyed by. I already finished the Ulta Beauty Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. If you remember, I bought this like a month ago. So, month and a half ago. So, I will not be repurchasing because the fact that this did not last that long, I'm out. I finished a Smoothie Star from Soap & Glory. I already have a new one in my bathtub. This is the best scrub. It's the breakfast scrub. It smells like a maple donut. This is the best thing. See, like that. I won't change. I love that one. This, I finished the Atelier Cologne Clementine California. I like this one. In fact, a little just came off on my hand. I like this one, but I like the Orange Sanguine better. I mean, not that I'm a big orange person on that. I did finish the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Now, this came in a FabFitFun, and it came like this. There's also the one that comes in the tub. What's the difference? Because I had a little version before, and I swear it did a lot better job than this. I don't mean to be a hater, because I know everybody loves this, but they always talk about the tub. So is the tub different? This says deep conditioning mask, but let me know, because truly, I could be totally off. It was good, but I noticed it wasn't as good as like my Redken All Soft. Costs way less. Not that it's beauty, but I did finish my Heritage Pumpkin Candle from Target. I finished the Soap & Glory Puffy Eye Attack Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Patches. These I liked. I just like those Amazon $3 packs so much too. But these I did like, and they're pretty intense. Cooling, soothing, and refreshing. I would say yes, I would repurchase. I'm on the hunt for the like Soap & Glory mask gift sets this holiday. Oh, there's my other little hourglass veil. And then today I tried the Spackle Treatment Makeup Primer from Laura Geller. I didn't love it. In fact, it smelled kind of weird. Like, I probably could have gotten another use out of it. There's a bunch right there. And it smelled in a way that I didn't love, and so I didn't continue. This I did like, but I don't think it lasts long. It is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt. You guys, I had all these primer samples, so every day I've just been using them up. It was fine, but it wasn't amazing. Okay, I'm gonna go repurchase this. This is the Too Faced Mascara Melt Off, a little one. I'm gonna go get the full size. I think there are parts of your eye that no matter how much waterproof mascara you put on, how much coconut oil, anything, there are just parts right at the base that you cannot get to. That will get to it. It's a little wand, but it's got like makeup remover on it. So you put that on your eye and let it sit, and it'll melt off that mascara, and then you take it off with like a cotton pad or a cotton ball. It works wonders. So that I am gonna repurchase. I'm waiting. We should have another Ulta 20% off before the holiday, before Christmas, and so I'm waiting for that. I finished my Banana Boat Summer Color Deep Tan. This is my my favorite sunless tanner of all time. It costs $8. This is the best. Forget Loving Tan, forget Saint-Tropez. Banana Boat. I finally tried the No Poreblem Primer from Touch in Sol. This is one of those that you see everywhere. I know it's been in FabFitFuns. It very much is similar to the Charlotte Tilbury Rose Balm, the Pixie Rose Balm. It's got a pink tint to it. There's a little left in there. It's got a pink tint to it, but feel-wise is very much a silicone primer base. I liked it, If I could find it on a deal, maybe, but that hourglass veil is just the best, and so nothing can beat it. I finished the last of my Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel Pads. So it's the 2-step process. I had one left. I used it one night. I just think they're way too expensive. I like my L'Oreal version of it better, the just L'Oreal Luminizer? I can't remember what they're called, but I was going through those. Check the other Empties videos. I will put the playlist at the end and I'll link it below, but they were used in many of those. I finished my Laneige Moisture Cream. I love this. This is a little guy. Love this. It's a pretty thick cream. I would repurchase, but I have a lot of skincare to work through. Okay, last samples and then we'll move on. I got to try the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. This is a vitamin C serum that everyone swears by. It was good. I think with a sample of serum, it's always hard because you don't use it long enough to super tell what's happening, but I would be interested in purchasing full size. I'm just obsessed right now with my Kiehl's vitamin C, and so that's kind of holding top spot right now. I tried the Kevyn Aucoin Skin Etherealist Foundation. It's thin. It is light to medium coverage. Like, it builds to medium coverage. It did stay all day, which was nice, but not the strongest coverage in the world. And then I tried the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This was a delight. It is super thick. A little dab will do. I mean, just so you know, this little pack I have used 5 days in a row. Just a little dab. It's thick. You have to like dab it in. You have to do this. You can't rub. It'll just rub around your face. I'm interested in what this would seem like long term because I was pretty impressed by it. And then lastly, once I'm through with a bunch of hair things, I will go purchase this whole line. This is the Caviar Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist from Alterna. This volume mist left my hair soft. It smells amazing. It volumized, but it was soft, which I don't know about you, but most volume sprays leave my hair feeling really dry. I shouldn't have been moving the box around at the same time, but it leaves my hair feeling really dry. So you get the volume, but you don't get the softness. My hair today is real dry, real dry. That leaves it soft and wonderful, and I swear I heard a girl in Sephora telling someone about it yesterday, talking about how it will help stimulate hair growth too. I don't know if those claims are true, but I'm willing to try it. So I definitely will pick that up, but I have the Maharo shampoo and conditioner to go through first, and then I'll go back and get like the whole line. But that is it. Like I said, I will leave the Empties playlist right here and also in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what you finished this month, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!